Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Official Cars Hub title, 2025 Tiffin Motorhomes Phaeton, Redefining Luxury on the Road. The world of luxury RVs is about to be redefined with the introduction of the 2025 Tiffin Motorhomes Phaeton. For those who crave the ultimate in comfort, style, and performance, the Phaeton promises to elevate the motorhome experience to new heights. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Phaeton offers a combination of refined elegance, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional craftsmanship. A new era of luxury and design. Tiffin Motorhomes has long been known for its dedication to quality and luxury, and the 2025 Phaeton is no exception. This motorhome's design is nothing short of spectacular, with exterior finishes and stunning color schemes that exude sophistication. The aerodynamic body is not only beautiful but engineered for optimal performance on the road. The interior design of the 2025 Phaeton offers an impeccable balance of aesthetics and functionality. The spacious living areas are bathed in natural light, thanks to large windows and strategically placed skylights. High-end materials, such as polished wood cabinetry, leather seating, and premium flooring, create an inviting and luxurious atmosphere. Every corner of the Phaeton has been carefully curated to provide ultimate comfort, making it feel like a high-end suite on wheels. Unmatched comfort and innovation. One of the standout features of the 2025 Phaeton is its focus on comfort. The motorhome is equipped with a state-of-the-art climate control system, ensuring that the interior stays at the perfect temperature no matter the season. The plush, reclining seats and spacious sleeping areas offer the perfect place to unwind after a long day on the road. The 2025 Phaeton is also a technological marvel. With the latest in smart RV systems, including an intuitive touchscreen control panel, you can manage everything from lighting and climate control to security systems with ease. The motorhome features a fully integrated entertainment system with surround sound, multiple flat-screen TVs, and streaming capabilities, allowing you to relax in style while on the move. Powerful performance and drivability. The 2025 Tiffin Phaeton isn't just about looks, so it's also built for exceptional performance. Powered by a Cummins diesel engine, the Phaeton offers impressive towing capacity and acceleration, allowing you to easily navigate both highways and winding roads. The motorhome's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain, while the Freightliner chassis provides outstanding stability and reliability. With adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision mitigation features, the Phaeton enhances both safety and ease of driving. Whether you're an experienced RV traveler or a first-time owner, the Phaeton makes navigating the open road an effortless and enjoyable experience. Luxury living off the grid. For those who prefer to venture off the beaten path, the 2025 Tiffin Phaeton offers a range of amenities that ensure you won't have to sacrifice luxury while off the grid. Solar power options, energy-efficient appliances, and a large freshwater tank provide everything you need to stay comfortable without relying on external hookups. The spacious kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including a residential refrigerator, a convection oven, and a cooktop, making it easy to prepare gourmet meals while on the move. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a large, well-appointed shower, a porcelain toilet, and high-quality fixtures throughout. Whether you're parked at a scenic vista or boondocking in the wilderness, the Phaeton ensures that you'll have everything you need to live in comfort. A legacy of quality and craftsmanship. Tiffin Motorhomes has built a reputation for excellence in the RV industry, and the 2025 Phaeton is a testament to that legacy. Every motorhome is handcrafted in Tiffin's state-of-the-art facilities, where skilled artisans take pride in delivering a product that meets the highest standards of quality and durability. With Tiffin's renowned customer service and robust warranty, owners of the 2025 Phaeton can rest assured that their investment is protected. Conclusion: the 2025 Tiffin Motorhomes Phaeton is more than just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury, innovation, and freedom. Whether you're looking to travel in style, experience the open road like never before, or simply enjoy life on your terms, the Phaeton offers the ultimate RV experience. As Tiffin continues to redefine the world of luxury motorhomes, the 2025 Phaeton is undoubtedly a game-changer in the industry. For RV enthusiasts and adventurers, the future of travel is here, and it's luxury on wheels.